Like Fred, my bones are rattling like maracas. I can't do this much longer.
What?
I said, like I'm getting tired, man. What is it, Scoob? Fancy a quick snack break, Scoob?
One more big push and I think we're there. Shaggy? Shaggy Rogers, where are you? Shaggy, there you are. Get pushing. Huh? Come on, Shaggy, we're gonna miss our flight. That's the spirit. Great work, Shaggy. Now hop in. We gotta scoot out of here.
Hey, Fred, like, how'd you get the engine going?
You mean that wasn't you pushing the back?
No.
Ah!